Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore the latest trends and critical issues in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for Ethereum enthusiasts and anyone interested in decentralized tech. Is Ethereum facing a fragmentation crisis? Let's find out. Ethereum, one of the leading cryptocurrencies, has encountered persistent challenges with scalability and efficiency. In response, developers have put forth various solutions, among which rollups have emerged as a significant breakthrough. Rollups address these challenges by processing transactions off-chain and then consolidating them for the verification of the main Ethereum blockchain. Understanding rollups is crucial because they signify critical advancement aimed at transforming Ethereum into a more scalable and efficient platform. This video is essential for everyone interested in the future of Ethereum and decentralized applications as we explore how rollups work and their profound impact on transaction speeds, fees, and overall user experience. Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out how does rollup technology cause fragmentation issues with the Ethereum network, and what happened if developers could not fix these issues. Don't miss out on the crucial details about how these innovations could affect your Ethereum user experience. Remember when Ethereum network was so congested that transactions took forever and fees skyrocketed? It's like trying to send 100 USDT over the Ethereum network and having to work out $20-30 just for the transactions. You know, there's a problem some folks run into when they send money from Europe to Asia for banks. They end up paying these hefty fees. I think it's totally unfair, especially for those sending smaller amounts. I mean, every dollar counts, right? Did you know Ethereum originally planned to boost its transaction capacity using 64 smaller parts called shards? So imagine you have to stay in a big line at the store and everyone is waiting to pay for their purchases at one checkout counter. It takes a lot of time. But if you open 64 checkout counters, each serving a separate group of customers, the process would be faster. That's how shards were supposed to work. Each part of the network would handle only a portion of transactions, speeding up the entire network. But then Vitalik Buterin proposed a new approach called rollup-centric in 2020. Rollups are like offloading transaction work from the main Ethereum network to speed things up and lower costs. However, this shift has created some complications. It's like trying to piece together a puzzle where some parts don't quite fit smoothly. Now, developers and users are grappling with challenges in how applications and transactions interact across different parts of Ethereum. So, the Ethereum team is working hard on ironing out these issues in the long run. So, you might be wondering, why did they abandon the good idea of using sharding that splits tasks across smaller parts? This decision was driven by concerns over centralization and stricter rules for validators, leading them to shift their focus more towards rollups. It's all about finding the best way to handle lots of transactions without making things too centralized or too complicated. While blockchains are taking different paths to deal with their complexity, Solana keeps everything in one place, kind of like big box. Ethereum is more building with different blocks, especially with the rollup plan. That means faster transactions by spreading out the work. Starkware is going even further with fractal scaling, stacking layers on layers for super speed. Others like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon have their own ways, each trying to make everything work smoothly together. For example, Starkware fractal scaling involves multiple layers as L3 built on top of Ethereum's layer 2, promising even more scalability. This shows how different approaches aim to solve the challenge of handling lots of transactions without slowing down. Overall, it's all about making sure all these parts can talk to each other well, so using apps feels seamless. If you like learning about blockchain tech, please give this video a like. In this part of the video, we have reached the challenges of fragmentation that Ethereum is facing. This rollup-centric approach in the Ethereum network has led to an explosive growth of the L2 ecosystem. But at the same time, it also has made things a bit more complicated. So-called modular blockchains fail to bring into Ethereum network scaling solutions. Imagine you have multiple wallets and each one holds its money separately. In real life, you'd prefer one wallet to store all your money because it's simpler and more convenient, but with rollups, each has its own balance and accounting system. As a result, it's harder to move and exchange money between different parts of the network. For example, if you want to transfer money from one rollup to another, you need to go through several extra steps and pay fees, making the process less convenient and slower. It's similar to if every store in your city only accepted its own currency and you had to constantly exchange money then moving between stores. This is not only inconvenient but also costly because each exchange incurs fees. The same goes to rollups. Each operates slightly differently, creating complexities. When developers create new applications on different rollups, these applications may not work together as smoothly as desired. Users may find that applications on one rollup cannot directly interact with applications on another, which diminishes their overall network usage experience. Today, Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions face significant problems due to how they handle transactions independently and in their own ways. This leads to a fragmented system globally that hurts how easily assets can be exchanged. Teams find it hard to work together because they use different rules, tokens, and ideas that can make it hard to agree on anything. This also leads to some projects getting all the attention while others struggle. Differences in how fast blocks get made, how much work a computer can do, and the tools used to write software also slow down progress in fixing these problems. It's really tough for different parts of Ethereum to work well together because they don't share resources and goals. Think of it as like trying to play a game where everyone follows their own set of rules. It can get confusing and slow things down because everyone needs to figure out how to work together. Developers are working on improving this so that the apps can run more efficiently and interact seamlessly, but it's a bit of a puzzle they're solving. Curious about the future of Ethereum and the scalability challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below on how you think the ecosystem will evolve. Different developer teams are trying to tackle these issues in various ways, but so far, no one has found the perfect solution. Each team is developing its own technologies and standards to improve network operations, but this leads to further fragmentations of the system. For example, some developers use what are known as optimistic rollups, while others are zero-knowledge or ZK rollups. Each of these technologies has its own advantages and disadvantages, but their diversity creates confusion. As a result, when users or developers want to switch from one technology to another, they encounter incompatibility and difficulties. This is similar to the situation where each smartphone has its own operating system and apps cannot work on other devices. For instance, iPhone apps do not always work on Android and vice versa. But anyway, in a world of Ethereum, experts think that fixing fragmentation is a big opportunity. Ethereum wants to solve fragmentation to make it easier for different parts of the network to work together. They aim to share resources better, make transactions cheaper and faster, improve how apps are updated, and simplify how new technologies are added. These changes should make using Ethereum smoother and more competitive. As Ethereum keeps growing, fixing fragmentation is a really important step to make the whole blockchain work together better. But what could happen if the fragmentation issue is not fixed? In that case, L2 solutions haven't been successful in reducing transaction costs and congestion on Ethereum as intended. As a result, apps that prioritize cost efficiency are beginning to migrate to their own separate systems. Moreover, as L2 fees increase, more developers will likely opt for these separate systems tailored to their specific applications. This exacerbates the problem of the Ethereum system becoming more fragmented. In a few years, Ethereum could lose its dominant position in hosting applications, while Ethereum's fragmentation issues are causing challenges for developers and users alike. This challenge could potentially weaken Ethereum's dominance in the future. It's crucial for the community and developers to find effective solutions for these problems to ensure Ethereum remains a strong and viable ecosystem for decentralized applications. Also, join my Telegram group. It's designed for crypto enthusiasts just like you. Inside, you'll discover exclusive content such as insider information, valuable tips, and the latest updates on the blockchain and cryptocurrency. Simply click the link to join and enhance your crypto journey. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future videos. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching.